First family Khmer by opening, grand opening, family dentistry, physical therapy in urgent care in one place. បងប្អូនលើកទី1ហើយដែលខ្មែរគ្រួសារដែលបើក clinic 3
medical group
យ៉ា3យ៉ាងក្នុងកន្លែងតែមួយតែឥឡូវនេះយើងទៅចូលមើលទៅក្នុងមានអីខ្លះ
Yes, UMG Medical Group is my cousin. They decided to open up a medical group consisting of one place for all services: dentistry, urgent care, physical therapy. So if you come here, you get everything, and it's my own. Basically, my cousins. They are young.
Family doctor អី urgent care អីមកកន្លែងនេះល្អណាស់បងប្អូនខ្មែរដូចគ្នាជួយ support ខ្មែរយើងកន្លែងធ្វើទៅសាយហើយនឹងកន្លែងធ្វើលាងធ្មេញអីចា so បងប្អូនតោះយើងទៅក្នុងទាំងអស់គ្នា
And it's located in Colombia
next to Harvard General Hospital.
Yeah, Harvard General Hospital, just 5 minutes from Harvard General Hospital, near Columbia Mall. Okay,
and it's plenty of parking lot in the front and the back កន្លែងចតអត់មានខ្វះទេបងប្អូនហើយ fast service. Welcome to UMG Medical Group.
Okay.
They open 7 days a week. Family urgent care 7 days a week. Family dentistry and physical therapy 6 days a week.
Cambodian owned.
Yes. Come support them. Chui Khmer, Khmer chui Khmer.
All your service, medical needs, physical therapy needs, dentistry. So everything in one location. Everything in one location.
Small.
UMG Medical Group grand opening, urgent care, dentistry, and physical therapy, all in one place. All right, support them.
We are here inside here. The grand opening. Yeah. This is Stephanie for urgent care. We have 3 in one place. So urgent care, family dentistry, and physical therapy. So let me introduce to Stephanie. Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. I'm so excited for you. I wish you good luck. So tell me a little bit about your background.
So I'm actually a family nurse practitioner, but I do have a lot of background in acute care and urgent care. So I've been in urgent care for the last few years now. So this is my own practice and opened it up March 1st. And so we accept all patients from newborns to geriatrics. And we accept all insurances, commercial insurances, and Medicare and Medicaid. And we're open 7 days a week, 9 to 9, even on holidays.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay,
So what kind of service you provide here? If someone want to come to the urgent care, what can they get?
Anything and everything. Yeah.
So បងប្អូនខ្មែរបើត្រូវការកូនកត់ប្រើពីចាប់ផ្ដើមពីកូនក្មេងរហូតដល់មនុស្សចាស់ស្អីក៏ធ្វើដែរបងប្អូនមាន blood work
We have X-ray.
X-ray.
Yeah, we take blood work. We have EKG. We do pre-op exams. We do physicals. We see acute care. We can test for any sicknesses. Everything.
Yeah, all in one day. So fast service បងប្អូនបើត្រូវការអីបើជួនកាល weekend អីវាបាក់ doctor family គេបិទអញ្ចឹងទៅមកកន្លែង urgent care វាស្រួលហើយកន្លែងនេះវាមាន3យ៉ាងទៀតស្រួល 3 in one place. So
is this strictly urgent care or you provide primary
We
care?
do provide some primary care. Yeah.
ហើយគាត់
We haven't opened up yet for primary care patients, but possibly.
Okay ហើយគាត់ទទួល insurance គ្រប់ insurance ចាហើយ Medicare and everything yeah.
Yeah.
So បងប្អូនមក support Stephanie, Kevin and Ladi.
Actually, the urgent care stuff.
Okay, let's go inside. What they
Look
have?
how brand new and beautiful the place is.
It's big.
Yeah. So dental's over there for their patient.
Okay.
Yeah. So over here. So here's my lab area.
This is the lab.
This is really quick. Do all the labs.
blood
Look at
tests
that.
and everything.
Brand new
Brand new.
equipment. Everything brand new here.
side.
Giving a tour, right?
Okay,
Yeah.
let's start with the physical therapy here.
Uh-huh.
Big room here. Look at the big room.
Look at that. Wow. Brand state of the art equipment and everything. Look at that. Wow. And all your physical therapy needs is here. Um,
អូយខ្ញុំបាក់ជើងហើយខ្ញុំបាក់ជើងផ្លាស់ជើងមកជួយទឹកទៅសៃ
So your patients come directly through this door. They don't even have to come in.
Let's go to the urgent care.
Alright. This is the urgent care side.
This is the lab station.
Lab station, flu strap, any blood works you need, primary care blood work, you can come over here.
And this is a triage
There's a triage
room.
room.
And then they have the triage room. And then they have exam room, 3 exam room. Let's open here. Okay. Another room here, room 2. The other one is room 3. And then I think she have patient right there. One patient.
Patient.
Right there. Yeah. And this is the X-ray room.
Mhm.
X-ray room.
Mhm. State of the art, brand new. A lot of money to open this. Okay, so we not shortcutting, not being cheap here. It's state of the art,
Up-to-date
everything
technology.
brand new.
Yeah. So បងប្អូនមកជួយគ្រប់គ្រងខ្មែរជួយខ្មែរ
Family owned, medical group, Cambodian owned, 3 service in 1.
The lab.
They probably do like
Blood
flu
test.
test, blood test, so all kind of medical
Strap
service
test,
needed. Yeah.
Everything, yeah.
Strap, flu,
Yeah.
triage room. They also see primary care services.
That's urgent physical therapy side.
Hmm.
That's the lunch room.
There's a lunch room here. You got nằm bao here. Khmer mình click there nằm bao.
Grand opening.
Grand opening. So come and support Khmer medical group here. Basically, they are my cousins,
Yeah.
the younger generation. They all young.
ក្មេងៗ
Yeah.
ត្រូវជាចំណុចមួយឲ្យយ៉ាងចា
Yeah.
មកជួយ support គាត់ផងចា
Yeah, first cousin, eh?
Yeah.
X-ray room, was surgical, dental surgical room right here, and laboratory room. See UMG Family Dentistry, brand new office in Columbia, Maryland. It's Cambodian owned family medical group consisting of urgent care, family dentistry, and physical therapy. It's my cousins. The young generation decided to open up their own clinic here in Columbia, Maryland. Look at this. See, everything is brand new. Hold up the t-shirt, hold up the t-shirt. Let's see, UMG. Medical group. All right, look at that. This is the dentistry side. Look at that. Everything is brand new.
It's X-ray. X-ray.
X-ray. And this is the urgent care side. The lab.
physical therapy សាយនេះនេះធ្វើកន្លែងធ្វើទៅសាយបងប្អូននេះ Hi Hi Kevin Ooh, they have big here nhưng mà hàng là mình mà đong lên mình ấy giờ Dentistry cha còn nên cái lại một tí bảy không có con này mấy trẻ tầm ba
Wow, brand new.
brand new
Look at that, all brand new equipment. So look at that, grand opening.
Chào mới xua cọt nó tận thấy lạc dạ.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Lady Ung. I'm also Khmer. Welcome to our dental clinic. It's called UMG Family Dentistry, and we provide dental services to all age groups, so from little kids, babies, all the way to adults, older people. We do everything from fillings, cleanings, to implants, orthodontics. I don't do braces, but I do clear aligners. Dentures, bridges, crowns.
Basically everything.
Basically everything.
Yeah.
I do frenectomies too. If your kids have like a tongue tie, even adults if they have a tongue tie.
Okay.
We do Botox as well. We do Botox for wrinkles, but mostly for T&J issues, like if you have pain in your jaw.
Okay. Hi, what day you open? What's your hour?
We open currently Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday. During the week we open from 8 to 5, and then on Saturdays it's from 8 to 12.
Okay. So got bao ngày
Jan,
Chan,
Tuesday,
ngày kia,
Wednesday,
ngày Phật.
Friday.
Rồi okay, chung các bạn buôn ngày hay ngày sau mà ngày tiệt chả, bên đây sau tập cái là ngày đây cái là ngày đây chả.
Basically, you cover all sort of dentistry service here, right? Okay.
Yeah. Cắt đọt mình thử crown thử crop mộc.
It's by appointment or just walk in also?
If it's an emergency, you can walk in.
Okay.
But prefer to call.
What's the hours?
8 to 5 most days, and then on Saturday it's 8 to 12.
And any insurance?
Yes. So
Okay.
we do have a list of insurances. Sorry, we do take a lot of insurances. I want to make sure I cover them all. Let me just pull it up real quick. We do actually have a special plan for patients who don't have insurance, because not everyone has insurance.
Yes, of course.
But it's so for a cleaning, no commitment. It's just $249. You get an exam, X-rays, and a cleaning, and fluoride. For patients who want a little bit more commitment and maybe a discount with work if they know that they have work that needs to be done, they can do an in-house membership plan, which is $699 for a year, and that includes 2 free cleanings, 2 free exams, unlimited X-rays, unlimited emergency visits, and you get 20% off of all procedures excluding ortho, so braces.
Okay.
All right, sounds great.
Insurances I take.
So got your payroll chiang main X-ray នឹងសម្រាប់ insurance ប៉ុន្តែបើយើងអត់មាន insurance យើងអាច like in-house membership អញ្ចឹងគាត់យក695មួយឆ្នាំប៉ុន្តែមាន provide 2ដងលាងថ្មីហើយ service ដូចថា brace ដែរមានណា
No.
No bracing.
So, but all that, like fillings, you get discount 20% off, crowns,
Okay.
bridges, implants,
so
20% off.
មាន discount បើយើងមាន membership គេហ្នឹងគេអាចចុះឲ្យ 20% ដែរចា
And emergencies are free.
Yeah.
All right.
So we take Aetna, we take Emeritus, Delta Dental, Guardian, Humana, Sun Life, United Concordia, Principal, United Healthcare, Cigna, and MetLife.
Oh, that's almost everything. But even if you don't have insurance, they're willing to take you, and they're willing to take you in an emergency. So, and it's a brand new office with top of the line equipment here. You see. So this is a Cambodian-owned family. Basically, my cousin. Yeah. What's your background?
So background, I graduated in 2013, so I'm doing this almost 13 years now. I, just worked as an associate in a few different practices. I worked I still work part time in an IV sedation practice. It's like a holistic IV sedation, and that's on Mondays and Thursdays.
That's right.
Yeah, and then I decided, I guess it's time to open up my practice.
Alright, so បងប្អូនខ្មែរណាបងប្អូនខ្មែរណាត្រូវការ dentist មកនេះមក It's 5 minutes from Columbia Mall, 5 minutes from Howard General Hospital. Plenty of parking. It's a 3 services in one location. It's all owned by Khmer. Okay, so this is the dentist tree side of the business here. I'm going to show you the office. So here, lot of exam room here, equipment, brand new. Look at that spanking white. UMG Family Dentistry. Okay. This is the X-ray exam room also, but this has X-ray. Surgical room for dentistry.
So this is the sterilization area, and then this This is first gift. These are first gift.
Yeah, so I mean, you already saw the corner. Yeah, no, definitely appreciate it.
Thanks,
triage area កន្លែងទទួលមុនដំបូងគាត់សួរ question អីចឹង So everything brand new high tech
Congratulations.
Yeah First Khmer ever open នេះលើកទី1គ្រួសារខ្មែរ
All service in one location, okay, you guys. Dentistry, urgent care.
Over here, so here's the x-ray. Yeah, x-ray's right here.
Exam room here. So you have your grand opening today?
Yeah, today's
Okay.
the grand opening.
All right.
Oh, the soft opening, yeah.
Yeah.
Soft opening.
Yeah, so they have plenty of exam room, okay? Quick service. How many exam rooms you have?
3.
3. Okay.
Yeah, and I'll bring you over to physical therapy.
Do you do like orthopedics procedures and everything?
Some.
Okay. Here?
We'll do some cortisone injection.
Okay.
You know, if they do have fractures or anything like that,
This is
we'll stabilize before we have to send to ortho.
okay. All right, brand new equipment here. Huh?
And then helping with physical therapy.
តាមរូបមានប្រហែលមាន3ហ៎
We have three.
Three, oh,
plus
but the-
an X-ray room.
All
Yeah.
service in one location.
Here.
Okay.
So here's the X-ray.
នេះកន្លែង X-ray នេះ
Yeah, X-ray's right here.
Exam room here. So you have your grand opening today? Exam room, okay? Quick service. How many exam rooms?
Anything like that.
Is it-
We'll stabilize before we have to send to ortho.
Okay. All right. Brand new equipment here.
Mm-hmm.
We are at the physical therapy UMG group. It's in Howard County. We open from 6 days a week, 7 to 7. So this is all their equipment here.
What is this equipment for?
This is leg pressing, so it's lower body strengthening in general.
Okay.
Yeah.
And these are the exam table stretching. Okay.
It's family owned Khmer, first Khmer ever in
It's
Netherlands state.
UMG Medical Group, Medical Group.
So please come support our Khmer people here.
Yeah.
Small? Is small? Or medium?
All right. Look at this. I want one. The urgent care side. Now we come to the physical therapy side. Look at that. State of the art physical therapy. So if anybody need physical therapy, you can come over here. Got physical therapists over here ready to go. Look at that. Yes. I can give referral to you guys. Yeah. I write a lot of physical therapy referral every day.
Nice. Where do you work?
I'm trauma, orthopedic trauma at Sinai Hospital. Uh-huh. Yeah.
Send them over.
Yeah. So look, here's the food. So you have you have cards I can give out? Yeah. I can give referral to you guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bring them over.
I write a lot of physical therapy referral every day.
Nice. Where do you work?
Sinai.
I'm trauma, orthopedic trauma.
Oh, okay.
At Sinai Hospital.
Oh yeah. Orthopedics. Yeah. Definitely. Especially for physical
I
therapy.
see lots of people.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Especially for PT.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Physical therapy in this section. So let's introduce yourself.
Hi, my name's Jeffrey. I'm part of the UMG physical therapy team, along with my cousin Kevin. The services we kind of provide is mostly any kind of musculoskeletal disorders, everything from pediatrics to geriatrics. We do dry needling, cupping, and also blood flow restriction. So come on through.
Do you treat people that has post-surgical, like
Yep.
total knee,
Accident.
Yeah,
total
car
hip?
accidents, total hips, total knees,
Uh-huh.
any kind of post-op, and also we do pre-op stuff.
Okay, so you would take any referral from an orthopedics
Yes.
for any sort of physical therapy?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
How long is usually outpatient physical therapy you guys treat?
It is a huge range. I mean, you can, if you have acute injuries, we'll kind of take you through the whole process of getting past the acute phase, and then also getting you back to where you want to be functionally, whether or not it be sports or whether or not you want to go back to work or whatever it may be. Yeah.
Okay. ហើយគាត់ទទួលធ្វើទៅសាយហ្នឹងពីក្មេងរហូតដល់ចាស់ហើយគាត់បើកពី7ថ្ងៃពីម៉ោង9ដល់ម៉ោង9យប់ Is that right?
So,
9 to
so
9?
for physical therapy, it's 7 to 7.
7 to 7.
Yeah,
Oh, okay. 7 ថ្ងៃដូចគ្នា 7 days.
Oh, for us, it's 6 days.
6
days.
days only. Oh, okay.
Okay.
So បងប្អូនខ្ញុំនិយាយម្ដងទៀត physical therapy នេះបើកតែ6ថ្ងៃទេប៉ុន្តែពីម៉ោង7ដល់ម៉ោង7 បងខាបងប្អូនខ្មែរណាបើមានការបុកឡានអីធ្វើតែសាយអីមកកន្លែងនេះហើយគាត់អាចទទួលបានគ្រប់គ្នាហើយ you insurance គ្រប់ insurance ចា
And look at that, all brand new, state of the art equipments here. They can treat all kind of injuries, post injuries. Even if you have surgery, like a knee replacement or a hip replacement, you can come here to do your physical therapy if you're in the Columbia area. Just 5 minutes from the Howard General Hospital. So, all right, good luck to you, Jeffrey.
Yep, thanks, guys.
So excited, first Khmer ever.
Look at that bouquet right there. Urgent care, physical therapy, family dentistry.
Okay, wait until Stephanie's done with her patient.
Con sủa ở ông tạo ở đây từ lý họ đây đó nó sợi này nè cũng mua mã rồi mua của thưa anh thưa lên thì ông này đi làm đầu này đó ai đi lên là Smiley next week before my